Hello and welcome to Bachit with Cafe Mutual. I am Muzammil Baghdadi and today we have Gautam Karmakar, founder and chairman ICA. Hello Gautam da, how are you?
Yes, fine. How are you?
I am fine. It's an honor to have you on the show.
Yes, fantastic. This is not new. This is uh, last time you also taking my interview, so it is very exciting for today's session also.
So let's start today's Bachit session.
Yes, yes.
Right. So despite growing demand in passives, why are you not selling passives and why are you considering it now?
Because the Indian investor lack of knowledge, lack of awareness is there. Passive fund is not. Uh, आज का दिन में भी आप देखिए तो एक्टिव फंड का भी अवेयरनेस ऐसा नहीं है। हमारा जो इन्वेस्टर जो है इंडिया में 170 करोड़ आबादी है, लेकिन उसमें ओनली 4 लाख 4 करोड़ का है। कितना कम है। तो अभी अवेयरनेस का लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट अटैच विथ पैसिव, बट टुडे वी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड।
So individual now account for 25% of the total passives AUM. What will you tell your clients if they ask or demand passives?
Yes, now need it. It's a need according to situation. We need the his portfolio not only active like this. When we are feeding our food basic every day, rice and roti चाउर जो है उसके साथ थाली बहुत कुछ मिलना चाहिए. तो like this portfolio should be not only active fund, passive fund should be there. Now our investor, otherwise it will be risks. Only active fund not can be grow and risky also. So this time, according time to time, now we need to adopt the passive fund also. But regulator and AMC industry should work on it for awareness, more awareness. We need more awareness for to the investor, which is the passive fund.
So most of your business in active funds, don't you think it is a big risk?
Now that is there, not a big risk, but risk is there. Now active and passive parallelly we need do. Now this situation parallelly we need to do active and passive parallelly. Not only passive, not only active. That's not way. This is the way parallelly we should adopt it.
So how can AMCs make passives more acceptable to you?
AMC should uh, do more program for awareness, the general investor for passive fund. That would be help to do the business. So industry people should be more uh, to give the society for awareness, because due to lack of awareness, till date not doing passive fund. Need awareness, more awareness needed regular basis. जैसे म्यूचुअल फंड बोला ना, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है तो पैसिव फंड सही है, वो भी एक कैंपेनिंग होना चाहिए.
Well, that was an interesting session, Gautam Da. Thank you so much for sharing your insights.
Thank you so much. We are waiting for another session also.
That's all for today's episode of Bachit with Cafe Mutual. Stay tuned for more such interesting episodes. See?